I'd like to go over in this video what you need to properly lift your Tesla if you need, say for example, to change the tire. For starters, you need to purchase these special pucks sold by Tesla. They are particular and specific for each model. They'll usually have a designation on them for the model car you have. Mine don't, but they are for my Model Y. The cup of the jack fits underneath this puck, which goes under the car in 4 places. Here, here, and 2 on the other side. The pucks simply go into the hole underneath here. I'll give you a close-up right now of where that is. You can see underneath the car where the hole is. Right in there. Now, the jack that I normally had was a 2-ton regular jack over there. But that jack is not adequate to lift this Tesla. It doesn't have the proper clearance. So with the puck installed under the car, the jack really doesn't make it under correctly. It just barely makes it. The cup here should be bigger than the disc here. Also, the Teslas are incredibly heavy, and this jack only lifts 2 tons, and it would strain. What you do need is what's called a low profile jack, which I have here. This is a LiftMaster. It's made of steel and aluminum, so it's lighter than a full steel version. It has a 3-ton lift capacity, and it should easily slide under. What's important to note is they all have wheels. That's because as this lifts up, you'll notice that it moves from left to right slightly. So the jack needs to be able to move forwards as the jack is lifting up. Something else I like to do when I'm lifting is I like to use some type of block to wedge behind the wheel, because I don't need the car rolling while it's lifted. So now the car is not going to roll. Now we just simply place the jack underneath. And now, you see the car is completely lifted. And that was pretty easy. Again, I was using the LiftMaster low profile aluminum steel jack, and it made quick and easy work of lifting up the Tesla. Hope that was helpful.